But what hypnosis does do is it helps to bypass our logical, conscious mind. And this is the part of our mind that we're using most frequently on a daily basis. So while we bypass our conscious, logical thinking mind, we create direct access to our subconscious mind. And this is where our programming lives, our beliefs, our memories, our emotions, our patterns, all within the subconscious mind. This is where we want to make the changes. So consciously, we may be thinking, yeah, I want to change this, I want to do this, but subconsciously, our beliefs around that topic have to match what we're consciously thinking. And so, our subconscious mind is the key to changing how we feel about certain things. As a hypnotherapist, my role is to help you to shift those old beliefs into ones that support your current desires and your